Absolutely, and the best part for the Bengal Tigers is that their captain is Yusuf has just cracked a sixer, and this comes as a relief.
This was a clean hit, Vineet. I mean, he picked it up very nicely. Straight over long on.
Absolutely, and the good news for the Bengal team is that the captain, who seemed rather optimistic and positive about today's chances, is still on the field. Well, that's another clean shot, and that's headed for the boundaries, and it is a boundary, so the over has been concluded by a boundary.
That's a big one. Joy. That's his responsibility, getting a boundary to the team. Tigers moves into 18. Few more balls to go in this over. 4 more to go before the power play finishes. That's a clean shot.
जी बिल्कुल क्लीन शॉट और एक आक्रामकता, एक एग्रेशन जो पहले 2 ओवर्स में दिखाई नहीं दिया सुनील, वो अब देखने को मिल रहा है. उसकी झलक अब दिखाई दे रही है और मुझे लगता है इसके बाद जो बैटिंग भी आने वाली है वो भी इससे सीख ले सकती है. इट्स एग्जाम्पलरी एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम. तो एक उत्साहित मनोरंजन का जो जलवा होता है,
होना चाहिए,
वो कब देखने को मिलेगा?
That's a good one. A Tiger has finally cracked it. Vineet, I think he has listened to you, Vineet. That's a good one. Good shot on pull to finish the over. 29 for 2 after 5 overs. Bengal Tigers.
Well, he's living up to his name, isn't he? Yusuf. He's reached 20 with that boundary. Just sliced it over that extra cover region. Got it over the infield. 1 bounce and over.
Coming down the track this time, that's a much better timing. That exactly is partner what he was trying there. But Yusuf, well, he's got a very good blade and he's got some powers in his arms as well.
And the supporters are happy, and why not? Bowled this one seam up, Shantanu, but it was in the slot. And Yusuf using that bottom hand. Clean strike. Just a solitary over can change things around, and maybe this could be that watershed over for the Bengal Tigers. Another boundary, maximizing the scoring here. Yusuf is getting on with it, and there's Sid is joining the party as well.
कहते हैं ना, खरबूजे को देख के खरबूजा रंग बदलता है, और यहाँ पे सिड यूसुफ को देख के थोड़ा सा उनमें विश्वास जाग रहा है. With the last single coming, the 50 up as well, and this is played very fine. That's a deft touch, a bit of cheeky shot as well. But the result goes in favor of the Bengal Tigers. They're exactly what they want. Just picking up the length very quickly. Gets into good position there, Yusuf. He's really improvising pretty well. Not an easy shot to play. Just shuffling across, playing very nicely. Just trying to play it very fine. Just angling the bat and getting the result he wanted.
He does pack a punch when he hits them, does Yusuf. He's moved up to 39 now.
Oh, he's playing a cameo here. That's a very important knock coming from Bengal Tigers. Yusuf once again clobbering. There was a man in the deep, just eluding him. Just going over his head. That's once again nicely powered on the onside. A lot of bottom hand. Almost bowling out of the line of Austin, but nicely picked up on that occasion by Yusuf. उदय कुमार अपना पहला ओवर डालते हुए अच्छी शुरुआत की है. 2 गेंदों में केवल 1 रन अभी तक. इस बार आ गया है, पर ये अलग शैली के बल्लेबाज है. ये छोड़ने वाले नहीं यूसुफ. इस स्ट्रोक के साथ अब 49 पे पहुंचे. अब बेहतरीन पारी खेलते हुए स्थिरता प्रदान की है इस इनिंग्स में यूसुफ ने. 49 केवल 23 गेंदों में.
T10 format में solidity along with stroke play. That's the combination that Yusuf has provided. This was hit as clean as a whistle. Almost as if he was telling the fielders, go fetch. That's one lot that's happy. And you know exactly who they're supporting. Is that going to be 50? Yes, it's going to go for 450 for Yusuf with that boundary. And a knock of 53 of just 24 deliveries. Take a bow. Yes, that's exactly the idea. Well played, Yusuf.
Oh, it's been a very good innings. He's really played some lovely, attractive shots all around the ground. They're going to be interesting. How he got to that 50. Once again, just improvising, almost picking the delivery from also the line of off stump, playing it on the onside. Applauded, appreciated by. अगर 2 वाइड आती और 2 छक्के, फिर नतीजा वही है.
आप कैलकुलेट करके बैठे मुझे लग रहा है. चलिए, वाइड नहीं आई पर 4 जरूर आए. थर्ड मैन का खिलाड़ी 30 गज के दायरे में था. आउटसाइड एज फॉर 4. Shams not happy but he'll have to live with it.
जी हाँ, कप्तान खुश नहीं होंगे क्योंकि आप हमेशा चाहते हैं एक बेटर एफर्ट रहे, फील्ड में आप अच्छा कार्य कर रहे हैं. देखिए क्या घटा यहाँ पे. आप ऑन साइड पे खेलने का प्रयास किया था, एक हाथ से लगभग और मिस फील्ड. ये रन काफी कीमती हो सकते हैं. 90 पे पहुंचा बंगाल टाइगर्स. आपका स्कोर अब अंतिम गेंद आती हुई इस इनिंग्स की